I can't. Hey! Hey! Come with me. So, no. Bitch! Bitch! I'm like, yeah, I'm taking something with me. No, you can't have it. Private? Why can't I go in there? That's not fair. You can't mark something as private, like a private room. There was an achievement! We got an achievement! Hell yeah! One achievement! Both go the same way? Extinguisher! It really just wheezes and dies. He had a nice voice though. I hope we hear him again. I hope we hear him again. Ooh, dream soda. We'll get a diet soda. And a water soda. And a mini soda. Oh my god, why does it not let us get everything we want? Can I have fruit now? Is that beans? Beans! Beans! Achievement! Yay! Expert fire alarmist! Hell yeah! Oh, well, I'm not an employee, so I can't go in there. Fire alarm! Yes! I love fire alarms. I see a fire alarm. I touch it. I touch it. Hey, look, the game is happy and it rewards me with what I want. I'm not leaving here. They have rewarded me. They have rewarded me for pressing this. We live here. Alright. Yay! I love this. This is my kind of game. Here. Bye room. Fire alarm! I knew you wouldn't leave me. Fire alarm! Fire alarm! Every time I pull fire alarm, it could be the last time. I like you too, fire extinguisher, but not as much. You're just a friend to me. Fire alarm! One more. One more? Please? One more. Let me pull one more. Sorta. Fire alarm! I love you, fire alarm. I have a bad feeling that there's not a lot of fire alarms left. You might even be the last one. But I love you. You have been the best part of this game for me, fire alarm. And I will never forget you. If there is another one of you, I'll be very grateful. But if this is the last time, goodbye, fire alarm. I love you. Fire alarm, you didn't leave me yet. But we should probably let go. There's not much time left. I can hear it in the music. I know that you love me too, fire alarm. It's okay. It's okay. You gotta let go. I'm sorry, fire alarm. This is very hard for me too. Fire alarm, baby, you have to let go. You have to let go. It's okay. It's okay, fire alarm. Don't worry. Okay, let's go. Fire alarm, please don't do this to me. I can't handle this from you right now. Fire alarm. I am not crying. There are actual tears on my face. I miss this fire alarm already. Okay. Thank you, fire alarm. Thank you. But this is probably the last one, isn't it? Bye, fire alarm. Bye, fire alarm. What? What? Where'd he go? What? Where is he? He was right there.
Hello, my name is Dr. Glenn.
No.
And by now,
That's where he was.
I've realized that all of this has happened exactly the way it was supposed to. You see, everyone who comes to the Institute does so because they feel that they are no longer in control of something important.
Go back. Go back. Wait. No. But... Where? Give me back.
But
Fire alarm.
The problem is not
Fire
that the
alarm.
problems we face can't be solved.
Fire alarm. Where?
The problem is that we become so afraid of failure that we refuse to see our problems from a new perspective.
I don't care about your perspective. I just want the fire alarm back. I just want the fire alarm back.
And therein, of course,
Fire alarm.
Exactly
Fire alarm.
we were looking for.
No. No. Fire alarm. No. Where is he? Where is he? No. No, he's meant to be here. But no. He was around here. There was one around here. I know there was. I know there was. Fire alarm. Fire alarm. There's an extinguisher. See? Where?
Your life will always be a struggle, and you will always have problems. But today,
He'd be there.
the chance.
Why are there extinguishers and no fire alarms?
Even though it meant facing
Where?
obstacles that seemed impossible at first, you thought outside the box.
No.
And you overcame them.
I don't care.
From every angle.
I don't care. Give me the... He'd be next to the door. Where would he...
Because you kept moving forward.
No.
No matter how far off the
No.
path you were told you were headed,
No.
or how unexpected it became,
I don't care.
you found your way.
I don't care. Give me the fire alarm. But... Why is he the only thing that's missing? Why is the fire alarm the only thing that's missing? Why is everything else here but the fire alarm? Why is everything with the fire alarm here? It's the only thing missing. But I don't care about soda. I don't care.
Minutes, you'll be
I don't
back in the
care.
real world. And some part of you will say
No.
that none of this was real.
No.
So what could it have really meant?
No.
But just like the power of perspective itself, it will have been as real as you believed it to be. All you've got to do is wait.
No.
Up.
Give it back. Fuck you, game. Fire alarm. What the fuck? Oh my god. Goodbye, fire alarm. I love you.